The amount of oxalic acids present in a solution can be determined by the titration with the KMnO4 solution in the presence of sulfuric acid. See, KMnO4 usually titrate with the sulfuric acid. The titration gives unsatisfactory result when carried out in the presence of hydrochloric acid. What is the reason? Oxides to oxidizes to carbon dioxide and water. See, obviously this is wrong because carbon dioxide here, no any carbon atoms available. So this is wrong. Gets oxidized by KMnO4 to chlorine. See, hydrochloric acid, its oxidation number here HCl minus chlorine oxidation number is -1. So in the presence of potassium permanganate KMnO4, this is oxidizing agent. So it can oxidize chloride ion present in hydrochloric acid to chlorine gas. Here oxidation number is 0. Therefore, it is the right answer. Option second one is correct.